How to unfollow people on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can unfollow people on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to unfollow people on Snapchat, go ahead and then open the Snapchat application and come to this friends icon that you can find from the bottom right. Once you're here, if you want to find the accounts you follow, you can tap the three dots icon located at the top right corner and then go to the option called manage accounts I follow. Now right here you'll be able to see the accounts that you follow. You can tap the edit option and simply remove a particular person that you would like to unfollow over here, as you would be able to find it. This way you will be able to unfollow people on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.